This is 6 minutes a day keeps you a good sense of English EP13. Today's topic, hearts on the mend. Today's speaker. Chad has an American accent. In the bustling city of Harmonyville, where emotions ebbed and flowed like the tide, lived two souls entangled in the delicate dance of love and conflict. Meet Emma and Jake, a couple whose relationship was a roller coaster of passion, misunderstandings, and the undying hope for a love that could weather any storm. Chapter 1: The Calm Before the Storm. Emma and Jake were once inseparable, their laughter echoing through the quaint coffee shops and winding streets of Harmonyville. However, as time passed, whispers of discontent crept into their relationship. Small disagreements snowballed into heated arguments, and the once sunny skies over Harmonyville seemed to darken. The catalyst for their first major fight was a seemingly trivial matter, a forgotten anniversary. Jake, immersed in the demands of his demanding job, failed to mark the special day on the calendar. Emma, hurt and feeling neglected, lashed out in frustration. What started as a disagreement over a missed date spiraled into a torrent of accusations and harsh words. Chapter 2: The Storm Unleashed. The following weeks were a tempest of emotions as Jake and Emma grappled with the aftermath of their explosive argument. Miscommunication and wounded pride fueled their continued clashes, turning their once joyous relationship into a battlefield of resentment. Late-night arguments echoed through the walls of their shared apartment, leaving both Emma and Jake emotionally battered. Friends and family watched helplessly as the couple, once the envy of Harmonyville, drifted further apart. Chapter 3: A Glimmer of Hope. One fateful evening, as raindrops tapped gently on the windowpane, Emma found herself scrolling through old photographs and handwritten love notes. The memories of their happier times tugged at her heart, and a realization struck her: perhaps it was time to rebuild what was broken. Summoning courage, Emma approached Jake, and in a heartfelt letter, she poured out her feelings. She acknowledged her role in the conflicts, expressing a desire for understanding and reconciliation. The vulnerability in her words resonated with Jake, stirring an ember of hope in his heart. Chapter 4: The Road to Redemption. Inspired by Emma's sincerity, Jake decided to confront the issues that had long been swept under the rug. The couple sought the guidance of a relationship counselor, a wise sage in the heart of Harmonyville. Through tearful confessions and open communication, they began to unravel the tangled threads of their relationship. The counselor's guidance led Jake and Emma to rediscover the qualities that drew them to each other in the first place. They embarked on a journey of self-discovery, realizing that healing their relationship required personal growth and a commitment to understanding each other's needs. Chapter 5: Love Rekindled. As the days turned into weeks, Jake and Emma's relationship underwent a profound transformation. The storm that once threatened to tear them apart had given way to a newfound understanding. They learned to communicate openly, to appreciate each other's strengths, and to embrace vulnerability. On a crisp autumn day, against the backdrop of Harmonyville's vibrant foliage, Jake surprised Emma with a heartfelt gesture, an anniversary celebration, not to make up for the past, but to celebrate the present and the promise of a future together. The warmth of their shared laughter echoed through the city, a testament to the resilience of love. Chapter 6: Ever After. With their hearts on the mend, Jake and Emma emerged from the storm stronger than ever. Their journey taught them that love was not immune to challenges but that it could withstand the trials that life threw their way. Harmonyville, witnessing the rekindling of this once fading love, celebrated the triumph of Jake and Emma's relationship. The couple's story became a reminder that love, when nurtured with patience and understanding, could weather any storm and emerge even more beautiful on the other side. And so, in the heart of Harmonyville, Jake and Emma's love story continued, a story of resilience, growth, and the enduring power of love. Today's vocabulary. Repeat after me.
Bustling, bustling.
Tide, tide. Entangled, entangled.
Roller coaster, roller coaster.
Inseparable, inseparable. Discontent, discontent. Crept into, crept into. Catalyst, catalyst. Trivial, trivial. Anniversary, anniversary. Immersed in, immersed in. Neglected, neglected. Torrent, torrent. Accusations, accusations. Harsh words, harsh words. Tempest, tempest. Grappled with, grappled with. Tugged, tugged. Acknowledged, acknowledged. Conflicts, conflicts. Vulnerability, vulnerability. Sincerity, sincerity.
Confessions, confessions. Self-discovery, self-discovery.
Vulnerability, vulnerability. Immune, immune. Triumph, triumph. Resilience, resilience. Thanks for your watching. Have a good day. If you don't want to miss the next video, remember to subscribe and turn on the bell. The vocabulary in today's video are blocked in the description. You are welcome to download and review. Keep practicing, and you will get the results you deserve.